Now, if you're trying to update your Dream League Soccer to 2026, and then you get this message saying can't install Dream League Soccer 2026. Now, this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, ensure that you do have enough storage space. You may need to go to your files and ensure that you have enough storage space that can allow you to download the game. You can select here, analyze the storage, and you may need to clear some space to allow that you do have enough storage space. Now, if you do have enough storage space, but you're still facing the issue for can't install Dream League Soccer, now you can tap on your settings, scroll down and select on apps. Now search for the Dream League Soccer, just type DLS, tap on it, then select uninstall, then click OK. Now this will uninstall Dream League Soccer 25. Now ensure that you have linked your game data to Google. So if you don't have linked your game, ensure that first you link it so that you cannot lose your data. Now select on the Play Store and install it directly from the Google Play Store. And after installing it, you'll find that the issue should just be resolved. As you can see, you just need to uninstall and then reinstall it directly from the Google Play Store or App Store. And then now if you select to play, you can play the game without any issues. Just ensure that you have linked your game data to either Google. So ensure that your game data is linked either to the Google Play Store, or if you're playing on iPhone, link it to the App Store. Then if you reinstall, you're not going to lose your data. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and see you next time.